इन द नेम ऑफ मॉडर्न लाइफस्टाइल अवर यंगस्टर्स, स्मॉल किड्स से लेके यंगस्टर्स तक, एज ग्रुप 45-50 से तक लोग आज एकदम अनहेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल फॉलो कर रहे हैं। जैसे कि खाने पीने का कोई टाइमिंग नहीं है, कभी भी कुछ भी आया हाथ में एट द ईज कुछ भी खा लेते हैं, कभी टाइम पे सोते नहीं हैं, बिंज ईटिंग एट नाइट, रात को जागते रहते हैं 2 से 3 बजे तक, even full night, just indulging themselves in phone, in TV, in web series or anything. So exposure to the screen बहुत बढ़ चुका है, and no exercise, no daily routine activities done in a proper intervals. So these all contributes to the tracking of unhealthy lifestyle and lifestyle disorders. तो आजकल जो बीमारियां हो रही है lifestyle disorders, they are not a disease but a disorders like diabetes, hypertension, thyroid, PCOS. छोटे छोटे बच्चों में भी बहुत सारे issues पाए जा रहे हैं, diabetes type 1 जो कि बहुत कॉमन हो चुका है in the early age of children. So this is all a contribution towards an unhealthy lifestyle. So basically this is due to an increase in the inflammation of the body. ये सब चीज़ें क्यों बढ़ती है जब हमारे बॉडी में इन्फ्लामेशन ज़्यादा बढ़ता है, एंड वन ऑफ द मेन कॉज ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग इन्फ्लामेशन इन आवर बॉडी इज़ इम्यूनिटी बिल्डअप नहीं होती है हमारे शरीर में, तब इन्फ्लामेशन बढ़ता है, एंड इन्फ्लामेशन ऑल्सो एग्रीवेट्स द एग्जिस्टिंग मेडिकल डिसऑर्डर्स विच इज़ वेरी वेरी बैड, एंड at one point of time our health goes to that level that we cannot reverse it back. So it's very very important to get your lifestyle disorders reversed from the right time in a right way. Let us understand what is immunity. Our body, human body is designed to have a balanced immunity. बैलेंस इम्यूनिटी किसे बोलते हैं? व्हेन आवर बॉडी इज मेंट टू वर्क एट अ प्रॉपर लेवल, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ बैलेंस इम्यूनिटी. बट व्हेन द इम्यूनिटी इज लेस, वी फेस मेनी क्रॉनिक इन्फ्लेमेशंस, and due to that we face many lifestyle disorders. And when our body is overworking, it is called autoimmune conditions, many autoimmune conditions. Innate system is actually built up in our body by birth. तो इट इज़ द फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस, हमारी बॉडी को हमें पावरफुल बनाता है इनेट इम्यून सिस्टम. सो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट थ्रू अवर हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल we build our innate immune system at a very strong point of time to gain an optimum health. And second is adaptive immune system, जो कि our body is adapting from surrounding environment, surrounding climate, surrounding places. For an example, a person staying the places like Kashmir or Shimla, their body's immune system will be totally different than a person staying in Goa. So our body develops adaptive immune system with respect to many factors like climate, like people, like regions, etc. So that is the second line of defense. So adaptive and innate system actually both are very important to build up in our body for an optimum health. So our body consists of number of immune system like lymph nodes हो गया, lymph vessels हो गया, then tonsils, spleen, bone marrow, ये सब immune system में include हो जाता है. How you will understand that our immune system is weak? We need to develop our immune system. There are some symptoms which shows the low level of immunity, जैसे कि poor healing of wounds, बार बार बीमार पड़ना, frequent infections, frequent cold and cough and fever होना, feeling very tired, fatigueness, पुअर गट हेल्थ, दैट इज़ अ वेरी बिग इशू. जब हमारी इम्यूनिटी स्ट्रांग नहीं होगी तो गट हेल्थ भी बहुत पुअर होगा. लो लेवल ऑफ डाइजेशन एंड एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ द न्यूट्रिएंट्स, जिसकी वजह से न्यूट्रिशन डेफिशिएंसी भी हो जाती है. So these are some common symptoms which you will be knowing that our immunity is getting weaker day by day. Now to make it easy and simple, I'll be telling you some ways to boost an immunity in our body from different age group, from child to old people. So there are some beautiful ways. From there you can boost your immunity. First is the gut health. This is very very important actually. Our body's immune system, like 80 to 85% of our immune system lies in our gut. So अगर हमारा गट खराब होगा तो हमारी इम्यूनिटी वीक हो जाएगी. So to strengthen the gut, you need to eat lots of fiber. Fiber is the best friend of the gut. So include all the colorful fruits and vegetables which will ensure to strengthen the gut health. And gut health जब strong होगा तो immunity automatically boost हो जाती है. Second is adequate rest and sleep. मतलब हमें मिनिमम 8 to 9 hours of sleep, sound quality sleep होनी चाहिए. When our body is at a rest mode, it heals at an optimum level. So अगर हम सोएंगे नहीं तो हमारी बॉडी हील नहीं होगी. बट when we sleep properly and having a sound quality sleep, our body starts healing insides and even it produces some cytokines which is also healing the cancer cells also. तो वहाँ पे cancer cells prevention भी हो जाता है. So adequate sleep is very very important to boost an immunity in your body. Third is optimum level of hydration. That is very very important and one of the biggest pillar for an optimum health. Our body is 70% of the water and 87% of our blood is containing water. तो जब हम पानी नहीं पिएंगे तो हमारी blood quality ठीक नहीं होगी. When you drink an optimum level of water, say around 8 to 9 glasses in a day minimum, that is a requirement. So if you drink that much quantity of the water, your blood will be in a very good quality. It helps in detoxification of the body, जिससे हमारी बॉडी अच्छे से क्लींस होगी. एंड व्हेन आवर बॉडी गेट्स क्लींस, इट इज हील्ड प्रॉपर्ली एंड आवर इम्यूनिटी इज बूस्टेड टू एन ऑप्टिमम लेवल. Fourth one is movement. When you are continuously in a movement state through the rest of the day, so all the organs are getting proper functioning, say digestion process, circulation process, each and every process of the body is smoothly function, which helps in boosting immunity. Now reducing stress also contributes immunity boosting at a very large scale. When we are into stress, our gut health will be compromised, our brain health will be compromised, and then we feel very low and it contributes to lowering the immunity. जब हम मान लो कि अकेले होते हैं, when we are surrounding with some depression or sadness in our family, even we feel that we don't want to do anything, हमारा अंदर का मन नहीं लगता कहीं पे भी, so we feel very low. So that also hampers the immunity of the body. So try to maintain your stress level, do whatever you like, spend your time with your family and friends and the people with whom you like, and do whatever you feel like doing in your life. So it will always boost immunity when you will be surrounded with a happiness environment. These are some ways which I suggest my clients to boost the immunity, because boosting an immunity, building an immunity from the small age group to the bigger age people, that is very very important to stay healthy long life. So this was all about immunity. If you like this video and if you feel that if you need to share with someone who is really in need of these information, do share with them, and like, share and subscribe my channel for more information related to health issues.